Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about how to remove all duplicate from the sorted array. I have seen there are so many places where this question has been asked. So I'll just try to show the code and explain you the logic. So here you can see that our input, right? So this is our problem statement given a sorted array of size n. The task is to remove the duplicate element from the array. Okay. So this is our input element, this is 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 6 6 7, and after removing the duplicate, like this would be our output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Same, this is a different example. So this is our input element 1 2 2 3 4 4 4 5 5, and after removing the duplicate we will get this output 1 2 3 4 5. So how we will solve this? We will solve using a simple loop. What we will do, we will just iterate through the array and we will eliminate the duplicate elements. So our approach would be we'll just compare two elements. We'll just compare two elements. So we will just compare I and I plus 1. We'll start I from 0 and we'll compare two elements. So if 1 and 2 is equal, it's not equal. If it is equal, then we will not do anything. If it is not equal, then we will just, what we will do, we'll just update this value to the updated array. We'll create one index and there only we will do that. So we'll just compare, like 1 and 2 is not is equal or not. It's not equal, then we will just assign to the updated array. Then again we will check, like 2 and 2 is equal. Yeah, so yeah, it's equal, so we will not do anything. Again we will check like this, 2 and 3 is equal. So we will just check until this loop is completed. Okay, so let's go to the code and then I'll explain you. So this is my code. Here what I have done, I've just created one sorted array. Here I've just I've written the input, and after that what I have done, I've just created one print array method. So this method is simply what it will do. It will just it will print the array. So it's nothing fancy, only it's looping, it's loop one by one and print the value. Okay, so here, I'm just printing the value original array 1 2 2. It will print like this. After that, what I have done, I've just created one method. Remove duplicate is the method. Here I'm passing input value. So input value is 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 6 6 7. So here I'm passing that. So we'll see to this method what this method will do. So firstly, what I'm doing, I'm checking the length, a sorted array dot length. So what is the length of this array? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 is the length, right? What after that, what I'm just checking one condition. If n is less than or equal to 1, at that time I'm just returning this sorted array. So if it is 1, then there is no need to compare anything, right? So at that time I'm just returning as it is. After that, what I'm doing, I have created one index here, so that we'll just compare the value and we'll start assigning the value. So I'm just creating this index at 0, I'll start the value from the 0th index. Okay, after that, what I've done, I've just created one loop here. So this I've just already told you, right? Now we will compare this loop. So it will start from 0 and it will go till n minus 1. Since I have started from 0, so right, so it will go till 9 only, right? If I would have started from 1, it would have go till n. So I've just started from 0. That's the reason it will go till 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's the reason. Okay, and here is the main logic. What I have done, if sorted array I, this I value is not equal to I plus 1. Okay, then what I have done, I have just assigning this in index. So it will assign, firstly it will assign to the 0th index, and after that it will increment the value. So this is post increment, right? It will assign the value. So similarly it will do everything, and after that what I have done, the copy the last element. So in the last element of the index, suppose this is the last index, like 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 are not equal, right? So it will increment the value after, it is not equal, so it will increment the value here. And lastly, this is also we need to assign value, right? Because it will come out from this loop, right? It will not check till here. So what we will do, the last element also I need to assign. So index plus plus, right? The what is the next index value? Here I'm assigning the value sorted array n minus 1. The last value I'll assign here. Okay, I'll show you after debugging the code, then you will understand easily. And after that, what I'm doing, I'm just resizing the array. So what it will do that I'm just passing the reference of the sorted array until index. So suppose like index, so I need to take only the sorted array. After that I'll just remove the other things, right? So after sorted there are duplicate elements also that we need to remove that. That's the reason I'm just taking that the reference of the sorted array. Okay. And after that what I have done, I've just printing the value. So it will give me the give me the unique array, and after that I'll just print the value. So let's debug the code and we'll see that. So I'll just put one breakpoint here. Yeah, so I'll go to the F10. So it it has come to the main method remove duplicate. After that what I am checking, so what is the sorted length? Like 10 is the length, right? I have already shown you. So this length is 10. After that I'm checking if n is less than equal to 1. No, it's not equal to 1, so it will come out from this loop. And then I'm just initializing the value. Then what it will do, it will start from 0. Okay, now we will check like what is the value of 0th position. So 0th is 1 and 2, so both are not equal, right? 1 and 2 are not equal. Then what it will do, it will assign the value, it will assign the value of I. So 1 it will assign to the 0th position. Okay, so sorted array. Since index I have started from 0, so what it will do, it will assign the value. So now you can see here, right? At 0th position it has assigned the value, and it has incremented the index also, right? So now it will assign at to the first position. So we'll go now. So now we'll check, is the second, is the first and second are equal? Yes, it is equal. So it will not do anything. Now again it will check. So we'll check like second and third are not equal, right? So what it will do, it will take the second value and it will assign to the first position. So now you can see. Now similarly it will do everything. Now you can see, right? Now 3 has been assigned here, right? At the second position it has assigned 3. So similarly it will increase all the value. See, now what it will do, it will take the last element, right? So what is the last element here? The 7 is the last element, right? But we need to assign after, since 7 is the unique value, and we need to assign this value after 6th, right? So what is the index here? Index size. So at the 6th position, we will assign this value since it has increased the value, right? Now, if you see that at the 6th position, what is the value? So 6th position value is 5, right? But we need to assign this 7 to the 6th position. So that's the reason I'm just copying this element, last element here. So now you can see. So now our sorted element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here is the duplicate elements, right? So that's the reason now I'll do that resize. So in resize, I'm just passing this sorted array till index, like, what is the index of here. So till 7th it will do. It will take still till 7th, and rest it will not take. So that's the reason. Yeah, now it has done. Now I'll print the value. So I'll just put on continue. Now you can see here, right? So this is our original array 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. After removing the duplicate, it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What if I'll not write this condition? So what I'll do that, let me copy, let me comment it out. So after that, I'll just print the value. We'll see. So now you can see, right, it is giving me all the elements. So this duplicate elements is also showing here, right? So now we don't want this, right? That's the reason I have just removed that. So there are something like, sometimes the question will come like we need to show everything. At that time, we will not write that condition. So this is our, this is like, till left side is like duplicate element, and here is the like, all the duplicate element. This is the unique element, and this is the duplicate element. So now we will see what is the time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity is big of n because I have taken only one loop, and space complexity is big of 1 because I have not taken any extra space, right? So yeah, that's all from this class. We'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.